Hi there folks, my name's Alex. Welcome once again to Alex's Model Trains. We have marched into April and that means we are doing the monthly model train running session. I can't wait to do that. Huh? What trains and rolling stocks do I have? Well, it's a surprise. All be revealed once I get to the local Model Wherry Club and get these trains on the Buttlerton layout. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and let's get to work. Here we are at Buttlerton. The process of the layout has come to a halt until further notice. Here's a surprise. We have a Bachmann tanker wagons, but one of them is American. And the Oxford Rail Janus Steelworks locomotive, the small loco. Next, we have the Hornby rolling stock and the Dapple hopper wagon that I'm going to tell you in a second, and the Hunslet Bobo, the big loco by KR Models. Before we get them on the move, let's have a look at the Dapple hopper wagon. This is the Appleby Frodingham Iron and Steel. In the box, it comes with the information called a Certificate of Authenticity. It's from the Scunthorpe and District Model Wherry Club, our next door neighbours. This hopper wagon was produced by DAP to celebrate Scunthorpe and District Model Wherry Club's 50th anniversary in 2013, which it was 13 years ago. And here's a picture of it at the back. Okay, moving on, we have the Steelworks trains on the move. Enjoy the show. Let me tell you a bit of history about these locomotives. The Janus locomotives were built between 1956 and 1965, and the Hunslet Bobo was built between 1972 and 1977. They are both associated with British Steel at the Scunthorpe Steelworks, and I do like these models already. I'm glad I got two, but there's something missing. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's a torpedo. Sadly, I don't have it. I will try and get it as soon as I see it's in stockyard. I thought I can add two more hopper wagons. These two are not mine, as they belong to the other layout. And sadly, I think I'm going to end the video here, and to tell you the truth, this was pre-recorded in March. It's because I have other model wearer content to do. I had decided to get this out of the way before doing the 2 unboxing videos as you've seen before, and a model shop visit as you've seen before. Well, that concludes today's video. I know it's a little bit short, but I have other content to do, so stay tuned for that. The next video that it might be, but I'm definitely going, is the York Model Railway Exhibition. I can't wait to go there. Stay tuned for that, and make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Cheers now.